Starting a YouTube channel as a beginner with minimal knowledge can be scary and overwhelming, I know. But fear not, because the key is baby steps. Hey guys, Mitch here, the Gen X guy. Welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna check out the results of the week one of my Road to Monetizing series. All right, and we're gonna talk about what I learned, what I'm gonna do next, and the fact that I'm a beginner and I'm learning as we go, and we shouldn't be worried about it because baby steps is the key. All right, let's do it. Last week I released my first video, which was last Thursday, and it was called "Are We Too Old to Start a YouTube Channel?" And we had discussions on that subject, and the answer is no. But if you want to watch the full video, you can click right here, and that's part one of the series. So I recommend you checking this one out and then watching this one. All right. So before I bring you to the computer and show you the results, I just want to talk a bit about what I learned in my first week. So it's pretty cool. So of course we had a little progress. We had some progress. We had some subscribers and some views on our first two videos, and we had our first comment on our first video. So a big shout out to Old 52 Guy for commenting. It really encouraged me. You can all use encouragement when we start a new channel. Also, what I learned is I learned a lot of little things like preparation, getting organized, your phone organized, how to use the gimbal, a little bit of editing stuff, some stuff on the back end, which we're going to talk about a little later. But all in all, it was really fun, and I can't wait to show you the results. So let's go to the computer. All right, guys, here we are, the dashboard for the Gen X guy. Okay, so this is week one. As promised, I'm going to show you the analytics and the progress. Good news, we've made progress. So here's the results for the first week. Okay, so we've got a total of 28 views with both videos, with a total of 3.4 hours and 4 subscribers. Pretty cool. First week. Doesn't look like much. It's not actually, but YouTube is, you grow exponentially. So, which means you grow slower at the beginning, and then eventually the more videos that you post, the more YouTube has time to find your audience, and the better you get, and then the growth starts faster and faster and multiplies and can go very fast. So exponential growth is what's happening. What's going to happen? So this is perfectly normal. I've done it before on other channels. Like I said before, I've monetized a channel before. But this is cool. So let's look at this here. So we have the two videos. So last week was the Too Old for YouTube. Are we too old for YouTube to start a YouTube channel in our 40s, 50s, 60s? The answer was no. And this is, let's click on this and look at the analytics for this one. We got 17 views on this one within a period of 7 days, as you can see here, with a total of 2.2 hours. Now, if you remember last week, we need 4,000 watch hours to be eligible to get monetized. And here we gained 3 subscribers with that video, and we need 1,000 subscribers to be eligible for the partnership program. Okay, so this is a start. So that's the first video, and then the second video, which is my speaking skills suck. Okay, made a video on starting a YouTube channel when struggling to communicate. All right, if you're into that, you can watch it. The links will be in the description below. So here's this one. This one only has 3 days, 2.5 days, 3 days. And it's gained 12 views. Not bad. I think for me, for the first videos, and it's gained 1.2 hours. 1.2 hours. 0 subscribers though. Not sure why it's 0, because we have 4, then the other one is 3. Not quite sure why. But, so, let's go back to right here. All right. So all in all, bottom line is that we gained 28 views in the first week. Pretty impressed for me. 3.4 hours and 4. The important thing is that we go up, okay? So this is not gonna go up fast unless a YouTube, one of my videos goes viral, you never know. But in general, it's quite slow at the beginning and then it goes faster as we go. Okay, so the goal here is to teach you guys and encourage you guys to not get to start and not get discouraged of the amount of time it takes, because it can take a lot of time. So especially at our age, you want to start now. If you want to do this, first of all, you want to do this for fun. You need to like doing this. You absolutely need to love doing videos, and because otherwise it's going to feel like a lot of work. So I enjoy all these things. I enjoy everything that I'm learning around it. And what I enjoy the most is teaching you guys how to do it, okay? So starting a channel as a beginner with minimal knowledge can be overwhelming and scary, but the key is baby steps. So the key is to learn a bit by bit, like I did this week. I've learned a couple things. Now I'm gonna apply this to my next videos, whatever I learned as far as speaking in a camera, speaking the language, which I have a hard time with. The gear, the editing, you know, which software I'm using. By the way, I'm using Filmora Wondershare, and it's a very cheap software. I used to use Premiere Pro, Adobe Premiere Pro, the big one, because I wanted to go big. I wanted to. I was thinking to myself, okay, I got the biggest software. I'm gonna have the nicest videos. But you know what? It was the worst thing I ever did. It cost a lot of money per month, and it was overwhelming. The amount of things you could do with this software. So I got rid of my Adobe Premiere to go to Filmora Wondershare, which is way simpler, very user-friendly. It costs a lot less of money. I think it's around $60 per year. So it's very cheap. I'll put the link in the description below for you to, if you're interested in checking it out. So I recommend you using that. And there's a lot of support online. So, but all in all, guys, I had a lot of fun in my first week. I can't wait to see what's gonna happen this week now. I've learned a couple things. I'm gonna apply this to my new videos, baby steps, and I'm gonna be patient, and it's gonna take time. So again, start now if you want this channel to grow and become and to bring in a few dollars, you know. Maybe your goal is to bring in a couple extra dollars. Maybe your goal is to make it really big, and this is your retirement income, you know. Whatever it is, it takes time to get there, because it takes time to grow a channel. So start now, baby steps, and you have to grow into it. All right. So I hope to encourage you to do it, and join me. We'll do it together. It's going to take a lot of time, but we're patient. And let me know if you're starting a channel. Let me know if you're thinking of starting a channel, and we can all follow each other and we can help each other out. All right. So this is the progress for this week. Let's go back to Mitch walking. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe, join the fun, hit the like button, and stay tuned for the next videos, which will be next Monday, which will be a half-week video, and then the Road to Monetizing week 2. All right, cheers guys, talk to you soon.